This is the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0. I bought it in hopes of being able to do what you've all probably seen it advertised for. And you all probably know that the most advertised point of this product is the waterproof. It claims to be totally waterproof. You can use it in the shower, which is what I've been doing. And lo and behold, it stopped working. So I took it apart. I did a little bit of checking. So that's the front plate. There's a whole bunch of screws. Took it apart, and lo and behold, it is completely corroded. This thing won't even move, barely. It's completely rusted up. That's what the circuit board looks like. And if I pull this up, you can see in there the ports are completely fried. The battery ports here are completely fried. The battery ports in to the motor are fried. Yeah, so if you're looking at this product, don't buy it. It's not actually waterproof. Doesn't actually keep the water out. And once water gets in, it completely dies.